I'm using Emma's phone for this. I look like shit because I've not been well for the last 2 days. I think I've just given myself chlorine poisoning. That's another vlog, so don't worry about it. But anyway, I'm going to do something now with my phone. So my phone has stopped charging, annoyingly. So yeah, the plug's not working properly. Like, check it out. That's my phone. I can't hold it under. No, I'll try. So if I plug it in. Why does my phone break so much? Hold on. Plug it in. Nothing, see? Absolutely nothing. So I was telling my friends about this, and he said apparently if I clean out the inside of the charging port, so in there, I'll probably find loads of gunk in it and it will start working again. So that's what my vlog's about, is whether I can fix my phone or whether it's basically fucked. So without further ado, let me find a cocktail stick of some sort of description. I couldn't find a cocktail stick, so I've got it's for a candle that goes in a cake, because it was my son's birthday yesterday. So we're going to just try and set this up and see if that works. So I'm going to give it a good clean. See if anything comes out the bottom of it. Probably going to destroy it in the process. Now, I've already blown in it and stuff, but somebody said to me, just give it a clean out. I had to bend down. I haven't got my try. Oh, look at that. Oh, where's the camera? If it'll zoom in and move out of the way, it might do. But there's loads of gunk on the end of it, so Emma thinks that the reason it's knackered, there's some fluff in there. Emma thinks the reason it's knackered is because I use it when I go to bed, and she reckons I bent it, like when I hold it and it's on charge. I'm not going to tell you what I watch when I'm in bed on my phone. That's personal. It's for sleepovers only. So I have got some fluff out of it, in fairness. A few bits of fluff. And I've got a bit of dirt and still. It's a hair. So I'll now see if it's going to work. I'll kind of go with the theory of it's fucked anyway, so I can't really do any more damage to it by prodding it around with a stick. Look at the fluff I just took out my phone. And like, there's a big pile of it. I'm just making a little pile of what I'm taking out the bottom of my phone a sec. But basically, I've just declared, and I realised I wasn't recording, that there is more fluff coming out of my phone than an old man's belly button. Oh my God, look at the size of that bit of fluff that's come out. So look. Oh, instantly to charge. Instant. Perfect. Oh, spot on. Right, check out how much fluff I got out of this thing. You can see if I put the comparison there. That much fluff has come out the whole of my phone, which is why it didn't work. Moral of the story is, if your phone does not charge, get something thin and sharp. I've used a candlestick holder, but you could use a kebab stick or a cocktail stick or anything like that. I wouldn't use anything metallic. And scrape it out very gently to get all the fluff and crap out, and then I bet your phone charges again. So top tip of the day, didn't come from me, came from a guy called Chris. Absolute legend. Thank you very much, Chris. You've probably just saved me about 120 odd quid for getting the unit replaced or getting it cleaned or some crap like that. So thank you very much. That's it for today. Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.